Okay, tuone how to install free and open source Laravel Admin Theme for Laravel Admin site kwenye Laravel project. After installation now utakuja kukliki helpers, then utakuja kuchagua scaffold. Okay, so na kwenye scaffold naweza nika add a new table. So nitakuja hapa nita enter table name, then nita create a model, nita create controller, kisha nitafanya a database migrations. Okay, so naweza nika add a fields. Okay, so hizi ni field kwa ajili ya table. After then nitakuja click submit and table itakuwa created, model itakuwa created na controller, na kisha tafanya database migrations. Okay, after then kuna hii database terminal. Okay, so kwenye database terminal hapa na just kuweza ku write what database query kwa ajili ya kufetch data from database. Okay, so for example nikiandika what query, for example show what tables. Okay, after then nikija kuclick hii hapa send, so utakuja kukuta kwenye database na table hizi hapa na table inaitwa employees, of course migrations and table zote ambazo zinahusikana na Laravel. Okay, so for example niandika a query, for example select all from users. Okay, so nikija ku execute hii query, okay, so utakuja kukuta kwenye users nina user ambao ni hawa hapa. Okay, hiyo ni kwenye database terminal. So nikija katika roots, so nikiklik kwenye roots utakuja kukuta zile roots zote ambazo nimefanya katika file la roots.php. Okay, so student hii ni custom table ambayo nimecreate na hii ni list of student. Okay, so utakuja kuona namna ya create hii custom what table. After then kuja ku click add, naweza ka add a new student, naweza nikaika email for example, then nika choose a passport size. Okay, so ni click kwenye users. Hawa ni users ambao wapo kwenye system. So current na user ambao ni hawa hapa. Okay, so now nikija katika what admin. Okay, so nikija katika helpers, nikija katika database terminal, so niki just select all from users, for example select all from users, then niki execute query. Okay, so utakuja kukuta na users hawa hapa ambao tuliwaona. So hawa users nikija katika table ya users, okay, ndio users hawa hapa ambao unaona hapa. Okay, so na hii hapa config, so hapa ime contain some configurations. So moja click new. Okay, so naanza nika add new configurations. Media manager, kwenye media manager now, so nikija kuangalia hizi ni just images za, for example can be employee or users, ambao ni picha ambazo unaweza ukazi upload alafu ukazitumia baadaye kwenye sehemu nyingine. For example now I can click upload. Okay, so click upload now, naweza nika upload what a new passport size for example. Okay, then your passport size itakuja kuwa uploaded hapo kwenye hiyo hapo. Okay, so now nikija katika admin, nikija katika roles. Okay, so now hapa naweza nika add a new role kwa ajili ya what users. For example now current na user wawili ambao wanaweza ka log in. First one is administrator, mwingine ni users. Na administrator unaona ana all permissions, na huyu user, another user yeye ana permission ya only access a dashboard. Okay, so click kwenye permission. So kwenye permission now naweza ka set permission, for example ta click new, then I can add permission. Okay, so click kwenye menu. Okay, so kwenye menu hapa naweza nika just ku delete model. For example nataka ni delete model, nitakuja hapa nita just click hii icon and then model will be deleted. Okay, so model is deleted. Okay, so another thing is what is my account as administrator, and just ku click then nitakuja katika settings. Okay, so nakuja katika settings now, naweza nika change what my avatar au my picture, then naweza nika choose password, then nika change what password. Okay, so nikija kwenye dashboard. Okay, so now hapa nime access dashboard. So now current available extensions na open admin helpers, ambo helpers ni hii hapo. Okay, another is open admin extension config ambo nimesha install in media manager. So hizi zote unaweza kazi install kama extensions. Okay, so now what is the video objective? The video objective, first one is installing open source admin theme kwa ajili ya Laravel admin project, and then tutaenda ku create model and controller kwa kutumia hiyo admin site. Tutaandika code. Okay, after then creating table and fields by using admin site. Final perform data model migrations by using admin site, and then you will run database query by using admin site, and you will perform user management and permissions by using admin site. Then you add at least one extension ambayo ni media manager. Media manager ambayo tuliona ni hii hapo. So nikiklik media manager, you can see my media manager. So hizo ni just a video objectives. Okay, so now kuna steps za kufuata ili kuweza kuachieve hichi kitu. So now step number 1, this is the admin panel free open source library. Okay, so now visit to docs. Okay, so docs maana yake ni documents ya hii site ambayo unaweza kaangalia documents. Okay, so now nikija hapa, hii ni docs kwa ajili ya hii what theme. Hii ni docs, so installations and vitu vyote vinapatikana hapa katika docs. Okay, so you install Composer. So katika hii site uta just click hii linki composer setup.executable, kisha utaifanyia installation kwenye kompyuta yako, then you download XAMPP kwa ajili ya database. Okay, so utakuja katika hii site uta download XAMPP for 64-bit kwa ajili ya Microsoft Windows. So hii ni just Laravel documentation. So click get started. So unaweza ukaja kuona hapa how to start a new Laravel project kwenye hii. So now atucheki masala haya. Okay, so now step number 0. Okay, so start a new Laravel project. So mimi nitachokifanya, nitakuja hapa kwenye hii root level ya my computer. Hii ni root level. Okay, so nita access kwa disk C, nita open. So hapa nita just ku click hapa, right click whatever, then choose what new, and the new folder. The new folder will be my project. Okay, my project. And then click enter. After then double click to open my project. Then come to address bar here, or here folder ambayo tumeliopen. Okay, and then hapa just write what cmd kwa ajili ya kufungua a command prompt. After then click enter. So then cmd itakuwa imefunguka kama inavyoonekana. Okay, so uta start a new Laravel project. For example, Composer, create project, then space Laravel, then /Laravel, then hapo utaandika project name. Project name, for example, admin _ site. Okay, after then click enter to execute. So now you can see admin site now soon itakuwa created, ambayo tayari imeshakuwa created, ambayo ni hii hapa. Okay, so another step is open admin site, ambayo ni hii hapa, kwa kutumia IDE ambayo inatumia kuandikia code, for example Notepad++ au Microsoft Visual Studio, any editor ambayo natumia kuandikia code. So for me nitatumia PHP Storm. Okay, so nitakuja hapa kwenye desktop start button, nita access my program ambayo ni PHP Storm. So can be Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code. Okay, after then I click. Okay, so now nitakuja ku open local disk C. Okay, so I can see now my project. Okay, so nita just ku expand, then admin site ambayo ni project admin site ambayo ni hii. Okay, so nita select, after then nita click okay. So just open. Okay, so ita open admin site kwenye hii editor. So kwa mimi natumia what PHP Storm, lakini wewe utatumia pengine editor unayojua. Okay, so now nimefungua admin site kwa kutumia editor. So now currently project bado inaendelea kufanya installation. Okay, bado inaendelea kufanya installation na admin site, just ni double click open. So now you can see kuna files ambazo ni hizi. Kuna file inaitwa what app, kuna file inaitwa bootstrap, config, database, public resources, root, storage and so on. Hii ndio inakuwa ni file structure yake. Okay, okay, so now another step is perform database connection. Okay, so now come to desktop start button here, then access what XAMPP after installation. Okay, so just click XAMPP, control panel, itakuwa imefunguka XAMPP kama hivi. Okay, so now hapa tuta just kuja ku start what Apache, uta start Apache and then start MySQL. Okay, so for me nimesha start tayari. After then utakuja ku click hii hapa link imeandikwa admin kwenye hii MySQL, uta click admin kwa ajili ya kufungua PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so PHP MyAdmin now inakuwa opened. After then na create what new database kwa ajili ya i-connect database hiyo pamoja na what project yetu ya Laravel. Okay, so now current bado unafanya installation now, so soon ita just ku complete. Okay, so now click new, okay, then create a new database. My database, for example, admin site. Okay, admin site. After then just select kwa ajili ya ku copy, select and then what copy and then create database. Okay, so now another step, kishakuwa imefunguka kama hivi, kuja ku click hii file imeandikwa env. Okay, so double click then kuja katika ile sehemu ya database connection. Okay, so database connection is my SQL and database host ni here hapo, port number and database name. Okay, so now footer then paste your database name is admin what site and user is root and password is empty by default. After then save changes. Okay, another step is after database connection, now install what open admin theme. Okay, so kuna site hii hapa kwa ajili ya docs ambao ni docs site, so just nikicopy. Okay, nikija katika browser. Okay, nikija katika browser, of course ni hii hapa, just nikipaste itakuja hapa. Okay, so hii ni documentation kwa ajili ya open admin site library. Okay, so hapa kuna overview, then kuna hii hapa link ya get started na hii hapa link imeandikwa installation. So now first step is unarun command composer require open admin hii hapa. So nikicopy command ndio ni kama hii, just nimeandika hapa what composer require open admin the same. Okay, so nitakuja hapa katika hii what my project is current, bado naendelea kufanya execution ya ku run project. So nitakuja hapa katika hii project yangu, nitakuja katika hii rs bar, nitafungua another command prompt. Okay, nitafungua another command prompt, then nita-paste ile what cdn ambayo nilicopy pale, then nita-click enter kuweza ku execute. Okay, so hapa ita just kufanya installation ya hiyo library ya admin site. Okay, so another step is okay, so kurun hii command. Okay, so hii command is the same. So nikija hapa katika documentation, command inofuata ni just kuja kuandika command hii hapa. So just copy. So nikicopy hii, okay, or ni copy hii the same code. Okay, so the same code. Okay, so now utakuja katika, so my project currently na bado inafanya installation, so nita open another what command prompt. So nitakuja hapa kwenye address bar, nita just ku write cmd kisha nita click enter ili kufungua command prompt, then nita paste ile command kisha nita click enter. Okay, so baada click enter, okay, so now you can see no publishable resources for tag. Okay, so no problem. Another step is just step unaofuata, so just like php admin install kwa ajili ya kufanya installation ya admin. Okay, nita copy or wewe katika documentation now uje kuandika hii command php admin install the same, so the same command. Okay, so nitakuja hapa then nita just ku right kisha ku paste kisha nita click enter. So there are no command defined in the admin. Okay, so no problem. So na just ku reject kwa sababu just bado hapa still inafanya installation. So still inafanya installation, so hapo unakuta kuna error mpaka ije imalize hii complete installation. Okay, so now uta just pause video kipindi na just kufanya installation hapa, just kufinish installation na uta repeat step hii ya nyuma ambayo ni hii. Okay, after repeat step iliyofuata ambayo ni hii. Okay, so now after imesha complete kufanya installation, so unakuja kukuta hapa ime just kufinish. Okay, so unakuja hapa just ku repeat zile the same command. So nitakuja hapa kwenye ile documentation na copy code hii hapa ndio kwenye command prompt. Okay, so hapa just nitakuja ku paste. Okay, so copy again and paste. Okay, ambayo ni hii. Okay, so nita click enter. So make sure hii information inaonekana, information publishing assets. So mara kwanza ilikuwa imekataa, iliandika hii what no publishable resources. So sasa hivi imeandika information imeshakuwa imepublish asset. Okay, so another command is php admin install ambayo ilikataa. Okay, so ilikataa kutokana na kwamba installation iko haijakamilika. So now copy it. Okay, so then come to our terminal, and close it. Our terminal ambayo ni hii, then paste it and then and copy again and join terminal. So delete, okay, and paste. Okay, php admin install, kisha click enter. So now okay, see hapa inafanya what database model migrations zinaenda kwenye database. Table ya kwanza tunafanyia migration table ya users, ya pili hii hapa, ya tatu, ya nne, ya tano. Hii ni migrations. Okay, so nikija katika my database kwenye ile admin site database ambayo nili create, nikiclick, okay, so now tayari nimeshafanya what migrations ambazo ni hizi. Okay, so now another step is now run server kwa kutumia hii IP address. Okay, so maana nitakuja hapa katika ile command prompt ambayo hii, of course current bado ina just kusend migrations. Okay, so open another terminal hapa. So just come to address bar then open another terminal. Okay, so hapa nita just to write what php access file ambayo natumia kufanya management ya kufanya migration inaitwa artisan. Okay, so now nita run server inaitwa save, of course in hivi. Okay, after then nita click enter ku execute. Okay, so now current server ina run kwenye IP address http ambayo ni hii hapo. Okay, so now naweza nikaicopy IP address kuja katika web browser. Okay, so kwenye web browser hapo nita just kuja open wherever. For example now hii ilikuwa ni mara ya kwanza. Okay, so now for example then open hapo, then paste ile link yetu ambayo ni hii and IP address. After then click enter. So now we open Laravel project ambayo ni hii. So important thing ni kwamba ku access admin. So nakuja hapa nitaandika just / then admin. Okay, so now nita click enter. Okay, admin not found. I think bado ina hapo kwenye. Okay, so bado kuna baadhi ya informations bado inazifanyia migrations. I don't know why, it take time. Okay, so cancel unabonyeza control, unaihold, unabonyeza na C, unakuwa cancel, then na install again. So kwa sababu tayari nimeshafanya installation, admin directory already existing. So just come to our database, refresh. Okay, come to admin users. Okay, so admin users tayari shakuwa created. ID is 1, admin, this is the password, and name is administrator. Okay, and kija hapa current server na run. So just kuja kwenye pause hapa, just refresh. Okay, so now admin panel imeshakuwa opened. So anaitwa admin, username and password imefanya encryption, lakini password ni admin na yenyewe pia. Okay, so now come to write admin as a username and password is admin. Okay, after then just click login. Okay, so now nisha access admin panel. So now current nina what hapa admin, so na users, of course no users. Okay, nipo mmoja peke yangu. Of course nikija katika roles ambayo ndo mimi mwenyewe admin. Okay, so my administrator account ambayo ni hii, I have a menu, menu, and currently nina hizi hapa menu. Okay, so nina operation log, of course operation logs nilizofanya ni hizi hapa. Okay, another step is, let's go to, okay, so tuna add helper. So just copy it. So the same, nikija hapa katika documentation, of course we add helper, nitakuja kwenye quick start. Okay, so after then nitakuja ku copy hapa, ku add helper hii hapa. Kwa the same, nikikopi ambayo nimeandika hapa the same. Okay, so nitakuja hapa katika my server. server current ina run. For example hapo kwenye my server ambapo current ina run, nitastopisha server. Okay, nitabonyeza control and C, nitapaste composer require open admin extension helper, kisha nitaclick enter. Okay, after then nitakuja copy na hii hapa. Okay, the same, nikikopi hiyo nikikopi hii the same of course, copy popote. Okay, after then hapa nilikuwa nimeadd what extension helper na just kufanya installation. Okay, na yeye mpaka imalize hii installation. Kimaliza installation na weka ile ambayo tumeicopy pale. Okay, so na kuna troubleshoot issue za I think installation imemaliza. So na kuja kucopy hii ya pili helpers ambayo ni hii kwa ajili ya kuimport helpers. So nikija hapo ni sawa na hii ya kuimport helpers, of course nilikuwa nimecopy. Okay, so nitakuja hapa just kuja paste. Okay, then nita click enter. Okay, so imeshakuwa imported. Another thing is to run server php then @sun. Okay, @sun. Okay, @sun then run server, of course ni save. Okay, after then click enter. Okay, currently server na run. So nikija katika site of course ni hii. So just refresh nitaona helper menu somewhere. Okay, helper ni hii hapa, just click it and then click scaffold. On scaffold hapa, now another step is create model table controller. Okay, after then perform data migration, so model migration. So create table name is student, for example. So now copy it, then table name is student, then model is student. Okay, so you can see model is student, then you can hapa model is student. Another controller is student controllers, as you see student controllers. So now copy and paste. Another thing is una check zote, create migration, create model controller, run migrate. Okay, after then create menu item itaonekana huko menu item. So what fields, the first field is the first is name, email, image and file. Okay, so now name, another, and click add field, image, email for example is an image, then file. Okay, you can add more. And the data type is a string. You can choose integer, text, float, double, so many. And null is null by default, and key is null. So you can choose a primary key. For now, primary key is ID and it's auto increment. After then, I'm gonna just click submit. So you can see. Okay, so you can see message kwamba now unaweza kaja uka add the following route to path admin routes.php app admin routes.php. So copy it. Okay, go to app admin routes.php. So nita open my editor to access app. Okay, okay, so now app. Okay, and then admin and then routes.php, double click to open. So hapa nakuja ku add my routes, so double click. Okay, so you can see hapa you just use what app, I think is app. Okay, then admin, yes, check it, sorry. So now kutumia editor hii hapa, just kuja hapa and just import class. Okay, use app admin controllers student controller. So hii ipo kwenye app, okay, admin, then you just expand controllers and student controller, and just student controller in here, okay. You can see our student controller body. So just save changes, now you're kwenye roots and save changes, yeah, okay, kwenye roots and save changes. After then come to refresh, and come to refresh our site. Okay, you can see our model student. So niki-click, okay, so naweza nika add new student, okay. For example, when you click new, you can see there is a configurations errors, okay. So no problem to resolve the configuration errors. Another step is run database query desk student, okay. So now come to helpers in database terminal, okay, in desk students, of course that students, okay. We can see tuna ID, tuna name, tuna email, image, file, created art and updated art is maintained automatic. Let's select all from student, then if you click enter, is empty set, okay. So from this scale nika add or nika drop or nika fanya manipulation yoyote kwenye hii database. Another step is of course select all from student, of course tayari. So open admin roots, then add this, of course tayari, okay. And open up admin controllers, of course no issue kwa sababu ndio hii hapa, just kuonyesha controllers and student controllers tayari, okay. And now image uploading. So now let's start troubleshoot hii error inaonekana hapa kwenye student, okay. And new, I think there is a problem here, okay. Disk admin not configured, please add disk config, okay. I'm sorry, okay. So to add disk, okay, to add disk is an open config, then open file system.php. So now access config, I think this one, and file systems.php, then find disk hapo. So hapa tunakuja kuadi something kama hii hapo, just copy it hapo, okay. So copy and just come here to paste it. So hii itakuwa just a path kwa ajili ya ku add files. So upload files to public path, okay. So public is public, our public is then to upload directories ambayo itakuwa ni hii hapa URL. So visibility is public, okay. After then save changes, then another step is visit admin site and add data. So now I can refresh my page. Okay, so now you can see no errors. So come to students, okay, in new, so new add student. For example, name is Alice, email is alice@gmail.com, okay. But then choose image, okay. So now click choose file, and for example this is a passport, okay. Okay, so you can see another is this is image and this is the file. So just upload a file, okay. For example, just choose this PDF, imeshakuwa uploaded as a PDF as you see, okay. After then just come to click submit, and you can see submit and view data. So submit, so you can see a list and so on and so on. Now you can come to list. So you can get no image, inaonyesha tu path image storing, of course image name.jpg. Even at click just see edit pattern, okay, you can see no image is shown, okay. So now come to list. So tunasababisha image iweze kuonekana. So image iwezekana ni showing image. So open MV file, then you remove this localhost and just put this IP address, okay. Just copy it, or you can say unakuja hapa una just kuicopy hii hapa, yes, unakuja kuicopy here. Okay, so open MV, so come to MV. Okay, so MV here hapo, then remove this localhost and just goes from the start, then paste this protocol na hii. So hakikisha umeondoa hiyo /. Usipoiondoa haiwezi kufanya kazi. Save changes and just come to refresh. Okay, you can see now if nikiklik hii hapa edit, naweza kaiona picha now. Okay, but ingija katika list no image, so tunaweka image kwenye list. Okay, showing image in the list. So open up HTTP controller, student controller. Okay, and just come to copy this one and find the function grid function. So an app HTTP controller. Okay, so now come to app. Okay, then HTTP, then controllers. Of course is admin, then controllers, then student controller. I hope something like that. Then find a function grid and remove image. I think image is this one. Okay, so now just paste it. Yes, image, then paste it, remove this line and replace with this. I'm sorry, so come to remove this line image and paste your line. When you come to refresh, okay, so now you can see image. So now when I click new, for example, a name is for example Samir. Okay, email is samir@gmail.com, and choose image file or passport size. For example, image or passport size. Okay, and choose a file or document, admission form, for example. Okay, and click submit. Okay, you can see record has been added successful. Then nikija katika what this is okay, kija kwenye now come to list, just use this as a filter. Okay, so hapa naweza nikafilter just ku search, just search a list. Okay, no, okay, so no problem, come to students. Okay, so unaweza kaona ni hapa wameonekana. Okay, another step is showing users table. So you can see no users. So hii ni just kwa ajili ya admin user. Okay, for the only admin user, lakini no users table. So come to helpers scaffold. Okay, after then just come to create a table name user and model user, and controller is user controller. Just copy it, controller user controller. So table name is user. Okay, model is user and controller is user controller. Okay, so after then check create controller and create menu item. Okay, so create controller, no model, no migration, kwa sababu hii table ya user tayari ipo. So nikija hapa, nikija katika database, where is database? Okay, this one. Nikija katika migrations, okay, so nikija katika users table, nikidouble click, so unakuja kuta schema ya user tayari ipo, ina ID, ina name, ina email and so on and so on, na ipo kwenye database. So nikija kwenye database, kwenye PHP my admin, so users ni hapa. Unaona table ya users tayari ipo hii hapa. So no need to perform migration. Okay, no need, and no need to create a model, kwa sababu model yake ipo. Nikija kwenye app then HTTP, of course the model, sorry, unaona user model tayari ipo, so no need to create a model. Hapa tuna just create only controller, kwa sababu no controller for users. Okay, after then another step is after then just click submit. Okay, everything is right now, click submit. Okay, so now tunataka tuione model hapa. Tutaenda kuadi katika root, so tutaenda katika app admin root na hadi hii path. Okay, so come to app admin, then roots. So come to add this one. I'm sorry, just copy again. Okay, and come to pasting. Okay, save changes. Come to our site and refresh. Now you can see users. When I click users, okay, when I click new, okay, name for example, Whitney, this is admin, and then date, I'm not verified, and password, okay, and click what? Submit. Okay, so this is email, Whitney@gmail.com, for example, at gmail.com. After then I click submit or continue editing. So now submit. Okay, now so user ameshakuwa created, and save password. Okay, so now ukija katika view, sorry, here view, okay, you can see I'm on here. Okay, another step is media manager. So media manager, now come to our dashboard here. Okay, after then unaona admin extension helpers imeshakuwa added, ambayo ni hii extension helpers, but log viewer haijakuwa added. Extension kwa ajili ya kufanya data backup haijakuwa added, so you can add. So now tuna find media manager. So now you can click it. Okay, then itafungua GitHub repository. Okay, so this is na hii hapa ni just a command kwa ajili ya ku install what media manager. Even ukija katika what documentation, you can find the more extensions. Hapa kwenye hizi hapa utaiona media manager somewhere. You can see media manager kwa ajili ya ku add, lakini for now shortcut nakuja hapa, just copy this one na kuja katika command prompt sana current save na run, then control C kwa ajili ya kustopisha, then paste it. Composer require open admin extension is media manager, then click enter to execute. Or kwenye just huu mwongozo wangu unaweka hapa, you can copy this one, is the same with this one, media manager. Okay, so remove this. Okay, after installing, now unarun command php@admin import what media manager. Okay, so now copy it. Okay, so now currently ina run. Okay, shamaliza kufanya installation, now paste kwa ajili ya kufanya importation. Okay, okay, so another step we can see hapa kuna steps kwenye hii site. So go to disk, to add disk configurations to configure admin.php. Okay, configure admin.php. Okay, now copy it, come to admin, I think, sorry, config, come to config admin.php. Okay, so katika chini kuna navigate chini, chini, okay, of course, I think somewhere hapo. Okay, so delete the extension, just delete extension hizo kwa mbili, so delete hii hapa. Okay, then iache. Then disk media, our disk is, so come to file systems, then njoo uone our disk is admin. Hii ndo our disk, so just copy it, admin, then come to what, this page, then our disk is admin, right? After then save changes. So another step is then the same procedure, sababu ilikuwa ni hii, our media manager is admin. Okay, after saving changes, now come to our dashboard, this dashboard, and then refresh. I'm sorry, run saver, php @sun .save to run save. Okay, now so now come to refresh. Okay, so now you can see media manager has been added. Now click it. Okay, so na files na images. Okay, okay, so hii ni just a directory Kwenye images na 2 image ambao wale users ambao nimewa-upload. Users ni what? Ni students, okay, ambao ni hapa. So nikija kuclick new, nikijust ku-upload new student, for example is Kim K, and email address is kim@gmail.com. okay, so choose just a passport size. For example, passport size is this one, okay, and choose file, okay, for example admission form. After then click submit. Okay, hii hapa ishakuwa added. Okay, so nikija katika media manager image, you can see our image is Joseph amekuwa added. So nikija katika grid view, you can see now. So I can add hapa just upload it. For example, now I can upload this one. So now utaona amekuwa uploaded, of course ni huyo hapa. Okay, so I can upload multiple images. Now I can select multiple images, for example this one, and this one. Okay, after then open. Okay, so now imekuwa uploaded. But nikija katika students, you can see no, zile nyingine ambazo nimeziadi pale hazipo. Why? Kwa sababu sija add a new student. Ndio ni add new student. Okay, so naweza nika choose name and so on and so on. So now come to users, ni currently na one user. Okay, so ninaweza click add more users. Okay, so nikija katika students ndo wale students, na media manager ni media manager, na nikija katika grid view, nikija katika image, okay, you can see. Nikija katika helpers, nikija katika roots, you can see my roots at sun, then at sun. Okay, so can katika database terminal, you can run any database query, create, insert, drop, update, and perform some schema modification, ku alter table column name and so on and so on, create triggers na vitu vingine unafanya hapa, query ambayo unaandika hapo katika scaffold. Okay, so now unaweza kutengeneza table na nini bila kutumia code. Okay, kija katika admin, so unaweza ngaja katika menu. So nikija katika menu naweza delete media manager. Okay, media, nikija ku delete media manager itaondoka. Nikitaka ku delete user, nitaondoa users, nitaondoa hiyo menu ya users. Okay, hapo unafanya management. Kija katika permissions, okay, that's permissions. Kija katika roles and users and dashboard. Okay, this is dashboard. Then tuja kuona hii media manager imekisha kuwa added na imekiwa tick. So can add scheduler, reporter, Redis manager, grid sortable. So click more extension. Okay, so more extension huja katika hii GitHub repository. Now can download helpers, unaweza download CK editor. So click CK editor. So after clicking CK editor, now you can see this is a source code ambazo na implement pale, na CK editor itaonekana namna hii. Okay, you can see this is a CK editor. CK editor hii ni kwa ajili ya what? For example student, okay, as a new, okay, kwa ajili ya hizi inputs zinakuwa kwenye mfumo wa CK editor. Okay, so now we achieve our objectives, tumeziachieve. So tumeinstall open source admin theme, tumecreate model na controller kwa kutumia admin theme, tumecreate table pamoja na fields zake kwa kutumia admin site, perform more migrations kwa kutumia admin site, tumeandika query kwenye admin site, tumeweka of course user permission, unaweza kufanya mwenyewe, tumeinstall extension moja media manager.